Hey, what's going on again, everybody? John here with North Texas Ceramic Coatings and Detailing of DFW. Today we have a 2024 Toyota Tacoma here. This particular one is a TRD Sport. You got a $60,000 truck here, and we installed on it what I consider the Cadillac of hard rolling truck bed covers. This particular cover is the Retrax EQ, and the cool thing about the EQ is Retrax has incorporated opening and closing the power covers that they make into your vehicle's key fob. Just press on lock 3 times, cover opens. And with this one, the tailgate is motorized both directions. As you can see, we got the drain tubes in here, nice and neat and pretty to keep the water from when it rains from when it goes in the canister going out the drain tubes. Now, people ask me all the time, are these things waterproof? No, they are not waterproof. They are water resistant to a point. And if you get a torrential downpour enough, it will come in around the cracks of the tailgate depending on the truck. We did a Silverado once with a manual cover, and the customer called me the next day. We had a horrible rain. It's like, I got stuff wet and this and that, and I said, I'm gonna crawl in the bed of this thing to see how much daylight you can see. And it was like there was no tailgate on it almost, because the amount of light that came through the cracks was ridiculous. So that explained why he got water in it. And I had him actually crawl in there, and I shut the tailgate on him, and he understood that the water was coming in here, but not here. To close, you just hit the lock button 5 times. Actually 4 times. I don't know why it came back open. Kind of crazy. Close the tailgate. Boom. I don't know why you'd want to, but you can stack 500 pounds on top of these, evenly distributed. These also have the T-slots and the rails. So if you want to put racks or bike racks or kayak or whatever you want to do, if it's got T-slots, you can stick it on here. Also, our phone number recently changed. Our new number is 945-348-0648. Once again, my name is John. We are North Texas Ceramic Coatings and Detailing of DFW. If you have any questions about truck bed covers, whether it's Retrax, a roll and lock, backflip, hard rolling, flip, whether it rolls manually, give us a shout and we will get you taken care of. And we also drop ship anywhere in the continental U.S. Once again, I'm John. We are North Texas Ceramic Coatings and Detailing of DFW. We will see you in the next video. Have a great weekend, y'all. See y'all soon.